Hello, I am M.S. Krishnan, residing in Giranipura. We searched for modular kitchen arrangements through Instagram. We found Windsor Interiors more reliable, and a lot of people have given a 5-star rating. So we contacted them, and Mr. Praveen, he is proprietor, I believe. He come to our residence and he has given assessment as well as the design, color approval for the modular kitchen, and he has done in a very short period with the professional staff. It has come very nicely. We are totally satisfied with their performance. I recommend any other users, they want to do modular kitchens in their residences, they may contact Mr. Praveen. Thank you.